welcome to Gauri's Golden Experiment. So before watching this video, please subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon for more notifications. So let's start. So today we are going to make homemade acrylic color. For this experiment, we need talcum powder, water and the glue. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons talcum powder. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon water. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon glue. Our base is ready. So now I am going to pour this base into this container. So for making brown color, I am using coffee powder. Now I have added coffee powder into the base. Now I am going to mix it. Mix it properly. So our brown color is ready. If you want more dark, then add more coffee powder. So now we are going to make yellow color. So I am going to add the basic color. Now to make yellow color, I am going to add turmeric powder. So our yellow color is ready. Now we are going to make red color. So I'm again going to put this base into this bowl. Now to make red color, I'm going to add sindoor. Now I'm going to mix it. Mix it well. Our red color is ready. So to make more colors, you can also use food color. So let's try it on a plain paper. So first I'm going to try the brown color. going to try the yellow color. Now I'm going to try the red color. So, hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon for more notifications. Bye bye.